Today I'm going to share my secrets of how to get the most out of your fertilizers in container gardening. Whether you're using an organic or a synthetic one, the tips are the same. First and foremost, I check the weather forecast to make sure no rains are there for at least the next 5 days. If yes, then I skip adding the fertilizer for that week. Next, I don't use a mug. Instead, I use something smaller. And I add fertilizer according to the pot size. Notice how I add very little of this fertilizer. I make sure it doesn't drain out of the pot because it's extremely precious. While watering the plants in the next few days, I don't let that drain too. I'll let you know why in the next reel. 10-12 days later, a lot of buds will start to pop up, and a few days later, you're rewarded with lots of blooms. Just look at some of them. Well, that's it. I hope you found these tips useful. Bye!